go ahead and weld this. I'll put just a little penetrating oil on there while that's still hot. And take the air hammer and we'll shock that a little bit. Maybe just a little more oil. And let's see if we can work that loose. I'm going to go ahead and get the impact. Okay, there we have the first one out. When you're taking broken bolts out, patience goes a long ways. There we have the second one. And they actually came out nice. The threads are not messed up at all. I will have to run a thread chaser back down through those and clean them up, but I think they're going to be fine. Let's see what we can do with this one on the front.